Hi there, it's Joe Costa from ESUGARNEWS. I am an entertainment lawyer bringing you the latest development in entertainment legal news. And today we're going to discuss a very brief case that came across my desk and left just as quickly. It involves the case against none other than P. Diddy, filed by none other than Cassandra Ventura. I have it right here. But the day after it was filed, it went away. It settled. What is that all about? Does that mean that P. Diddy, or Diddy as they now say, was doing something wrong and he must have paid her out because he was liable? He did everything? Not necessarily. It doesn't necessarily mean that. What were the allegations? The allegations were horrible allegations of rape, of assault, and even of going out and forcing Cassandra to buy illicit drugs for P. Diddy. Now, as to the illicit drugs, okay, as to some of these claims, let's face it, the name of his production company is Bad Boy Records. There's gonna be some conduct that is gonna be bad boy. His first name at the time was Puff. So I don't know. I mean, usually when I meet people who are named Puff, they may be involved in smoking pot. I mean, that's just me. That's an ESUGARNEWS sense thing. But at the end of the day, they settled. Now, are we ever gonna find out about it? Well, here's where it gets interesting. Nobody's talking about it, but they actually cannot keep this settlement confidential. If you really want to find out, you can ask Cassandra, and she, regardless of what that agreement says regarding having to keep it confidential, she can talk about it. Why? Because confidentiality provisions in New York and in California involving sexual assault claims, they're illegal, they're unlawful, you can't do it. You can't force someone not to talk about something like that by way of a confidentiality agreement and pay them out. So look, the ESUGARNEWS sweetness in all of this is that two parties who actually were really close to each other at one time managed to resolve their differences. That's always good. They didn't have to air it out like Johnny Depp did with Amber Heard in court for everybody to see, how Amber Heard, left a duty in his bed or anything along those lines. And it just settled. And that's good. But these are serious allegations, and if true, they shouldn't have happened. But we don't know if they're true because these are allegations. So we're going to give everybody the benefit of the doubt. We're going to be very, very happy that they resolved the case without having to go through a public trial on all of this. Anyway, I will see you soon. I'll see you next week on ESUGARNEWS. Take care.